Selling the kid in there too?
Hey, we're gonna sell it with the kid in it. I'll teach you. 5072 here, got the livestock trailer. It does have a title, guys. 5072 on your livestock trailer. It is a Maryland title, guys. Right here. What are you going to do here, guys? Get 1,500 out of 15, give 1,000. Pound out of pound out of pound out of. What are you going to be? 100 out of 2, 1 team, give it 200 out of 1.5, not 2. He turned it in here, guys. 150, 200, 150, 52, 2, give it 2, now half here. 250, 52, 52, 53. 300 out of here, 253, now half. 353, 50, 400 out of here, now 454. Now half here, 450, 450, 450, now 500 out of 50, pound, give me 5. 450, what am I going to give me 500 out of here, down 450, down, give me 500 out of. Got a title, guys. 450, 500 bucks. 450, bid to 500 out of here, down 450, down, give me 500 out of here, down 455. Now half, 5 and a half, 500 here, now half out of here, down 500 out of. I'm gonna be half here now, 550, 500 out of here now, 550, 550, 500 out of here. Take a quarter before I go, 5 and a quarter, 500, 5 and a quarter, 525 here now, 500 out of. I'm gonna be quarter here now, 25. Sold internet's way, 500 bucks. 10,007 your buyer, 10,007. 5073. This livestock trailer here does have a title, but there will be a delay. It's out of an estate. They were getting the title into a new name.
Is it Maryland or Pennsylvania?
It is a Maryland, going to be a Maryland title, but it will be a delay on the title. Just want you to know. We will guarantee it, or you bring the trailer back, and we'll give your money back. Right? Yep, right here. Turn this one in too, guys. Turn this one in too. Right here, guys. Give 1,000. 500 out of pound, give me 500 out of pound, 1, 2. 100 out of 200 out of 300 out of here now, 253, 2.5, now 3. 300 out of here, 250, make it 300 out of here now, 3, now half here, now 350, 350, now 350. 300, 3.5, 300 out of money down, give me half here now, 300 out of here, give a quarter, 3 and a quarter, 3.5, 3.5, 350, 75. Now 4, 400 out of 54, now half, 450, 450, 450 here now 50. 400 out of 50, 500 out of here now, 5, 500 out of all, 455 now half. 500 out of here now, 5.5, 500 out of here now, 500 out of here now, 500 out of make a half. Title had 600 out of here now. I took the internet. You gotta be 600 here. 550, 600, either one. 550, 600 out of here now. Gotta be 575. 600. Now quarter. 6 and a quarter. 6 and a quarter. 625. You gotta be quarter here. 625. 600 out of time. Get a quarter here. You gotta be quarter. 625, 50. Now 625, 50. 625. What am I gonna be 50 here now? 650 here now. 625 out of time. Gonna be 50. I got 6 and a quarter here on the ground. Gonna be 6.5 internet ground. 625, 50. 625 out of time. Gonna be 50 here now. 625. Make it down 50 here now. 625, 50. 50. So 6 and a quarter. Number 24. 24.
50, 76, David.
50, 76. 50, 76. Got your 30-foot gooseneck trailer here. Right here. Nice Longsdale trailer here, guys. Needs a couple boards, but nice trailer overall. Right here, guys. What are you going to do here? Give 8,000 out of 8,000 out of it. 3. 3,000 out of it. 3, 3, 2. 2,000 out of 25. 2,000 money down. Going to be 25 now. 3,000 out of 35, 35, 35. Bit to 4,000 out of here now. 45, 45, 45. Now 5. 5,000 out of here. I'm 45. What am I going to be 5? 5,000 out of it. I get 47.5. 45, 47.5. 45. What am I going to be 47 here now. 4,500 out of town. Going to be 750 here now. 45. What am I going to be 750? 750 now. 5. 5,000 out of here now. 47.50. What am I going to be 5,000 out of down here now. 47.50 5,000 out of here. 47.50 on the money. 5,000 out of 5,000 out of it. Give me 5,000 out of here now. 47.50 bid 5. So 47.50 number 710 5043 under 630 New Holland.
Sorry, Dizzy's not here, so
The belly mower in the back does go right along with it. Belly mower in the back does go right along with it, guys. Right here, guys. Showing $3,900. Right there on the 1632 Holland. Right here, guys. Give 15,000 out of 15, 10, 10,000 out of 10, 10, 5. 5,000 out of here now, 5,000 out of 5, 3, 4, 3,000 out of 4,000 out of here now, 4 now, 5. 4,000, 5,000, 5,000 out of here now, 6, 6,000 here now, 5, what am I going to get 6? 5,000, 6,000, 7, 7, 7, going to be 7, 6,000 out of time, going to be 7,000, 8,000, 7, bit 8, 7, bit 7, 7, up 8, 8, 8, going to be 8,000, 85, 8,000, 85, 100 out of here now, 85, 85, 85, 9 times out of here, 85 and 9. 85 get 9 times out of down here now, 85 getting the belly mower, everything right along, guys. 9,000 bucks. 85, 9. 85, 9 times out of here now, 85 on the money,
Go!
95, 9 times out of down, 95, 95, 10 times out of here now, 10 and 10, give it 10 and 10, give it 10, 95 and 10, 95 on the money, give it 10 times out of here, 95 and 10 and 10, give it 10 and 10, give it 10, give 97 and a half, 95, 97 and a half, 95 on the money, give it 7 and a half, 95 on the money, give it 750 here, 95 and 7 and a half, so 9,500. 775, 775. 5002 on the John Deere 26G Mini TX 2020 model, showing about $1,100, showing right around $1,100, guys, on the John Deere on the 2020 model 26G. Nice little Mini, guys, hardly any errors there. Right here, guys, get 30,000. Get 30, get it down, 30 times out of 30 times out of here, down 30 times out of here, 20 times out of it, 20, but 20 here, got 10, 12, 5, 10 times out of time, gonna be 12, 5 here, down 10, no money, get 12, 5, 15, 15, 17, 5, 15, get it down, 17, 5, now 20 times out of here, 17, 5, on the money, get it 18, 18, 17, 5, 18, 17, 5, on the money, get it 18 times out of here, 18, 18, 18, 17, 5, 18, 17, 5, on the money, 18, 19, get it 19, 18, 19, 19, get it 19, he's in 18, 19, 18, get it down, 19, 19, now 20 times out of here, 19, 20, 20, 20, 21, 21 times out of here, now 20 on the money, get it 1, 21 times out of here, now 20 times out of 1, 2, 21 bit 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 22 on the money, get 3, 22, 3, 22 on the money, get 3, 23 here, now 22 did 3, 23, 4, 24 times out of here, now 23 on the money, get 24,000 here, 23 bit 4, 24, 25,000, 24 on the money, get 5, 24, 5, bit 5, 24, get it 5, $25,000 here, 24, get 24, 5 before I go, 24, 24, 5, I'm 24, 24 times 5, 5, bit 5 here, 24, 24, 5, 24, 5, so 24,000 number, 752, 752.
All right, hang on 1 second.
We're going to give us a minute and the internet's going to move on down.
50, 55, David.
50, 55, 50, 55. I believe I got to flip the page here. Got the IH504 utility. Right here, guys.
I'm good.
Give 3,500, 35, 30, 35, 2, 2,000, 2, 2,000 bucks. $1,000, 500, 7.5, 750, 750, 500, money down, gonna be 7.5. 500 here, 750, 750 here, now 1,000, $1,000, 12.5 here, down 1250. $1,000 down, gonna be 1250 here, now $1,000, give 11, $1,100 here, now $1,000, $1,000 down, gonna be $1,100 here, now $1,100 here, now $1,11, 12, $1,100, $1,200 here, now 12, 13, 13, gonna be 13, 12, 13, 14, 13, 1400 here, 13 on the money, gonna be 1,400 out of here now, 13 to 14, 13, 14, 1,300 out of town, gonna be 14. So 1,300 bucks, 790, 790.
50, 54.
50, 54, moving on down to your New Holland TS 110.
Once
On
we
your
get
New
to
Holland
the
TS
side by
110 there,
side,
guys.
I'm gonna get off of here. We got 3 more.
4-wheel drive tractor right there, guys. Showing around 10 on the clicker, guys. Right here, what are you gonna do there, guys? Get 25,000. 25,000 out of here. What'd you say?
3 sets of remotes.
3 sets of remotes and all, guys. 25,000. 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 10.
Yeah,
10,
anyway.
10, 10, 10, 5,000, 75. 5,000 on the money, gonna be 7,500 out of here, down 575. 5,000 out of town, gonna be 7,500 out of here, down 5,000 out of 6,000 out of 7,000 out of here, down 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9. 9,000 out of 10,000 out of 10, 10, 10, 12, 5, 12, 5, 15, 15, 15, 15. 12, 5, 15, get 13, 5, 13, 5, 12, 5, 13, 5. 12, 5 on the money, get 13, 5 here, 13, 5, 12, 5 on the money, get 13, 5 here. 12, 5, get 13,000, 12, 5, 13. 12, 5 on the money, get 13,000 out of town here, 12, 5, 13, 13 to bid, 13 to buy. 12, 5, 13, 13, 13, 5, 13,000 out of town, getting 5 here, now 13, 5. On 13, 13, 5, 13,000 out of town here, down 13, 5 here, 13, get down 5, 13, 5. Guys, come talk to us, 13,000, we're close, just not close
All right, hang
enough.
on 1 second.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.